Guys, this is the tuk-tuk that I want to take. How are you?
I'm fine.
Yes. First, wait, you tell me how much. Wait, I first charge my phone. I am from Uganda. Sijui Swahili mingi. Guys, I'm here learning Swahili. So you are super welcome to this video. If it is your first time here, this is Christine, and I'm here with a tuk-tuk driver. So we are going to set off to move around town. Kindly subscribe if it is your first time here. Remember to give a video a like, and yeah, let's enjoy. This is going to be maybe tour of Mombasa town, so we are going to move around. Let me see you on the other side as we chat around.
Anything I want to buy in a shop, let's bring in Ghana.
Hey. Guys, I am in another tuk-tuk, so we are heading to Mama. It is Mama Ngina. Mama Ngina.
Mama Ngina.
Mama Ngina.
Yeah.
Mama Ngina. Guys, so let's see what is happening there. I'm just enjoying the vibe of the town, so just know we are going. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah, it is called CK to the world. To the world. CK.
CK.
To the world, yes. Guys, he is so friendly, so we are just buzzing around as we chat along as we go. So just know, this is old Mombasa or new Mombasa?
Old.
This is old.
Yeah.
Guys, this is how it looks, old Mombasa. Hopefully I'll take you to the old part, the new parts of Mombasa. We see also how it looks. This is new.
Old.
This is old. Okay. Wow. So basically the tuk-tuk, I think, is the main means of transport here, and then also matatu. And of course, if you like Ubers, you can also choose to use Uber or any other app that is available here. But yeah, this is a matatu. So guys, let's go to Mama Ngina's waterfront. This is
the old town.
Yeah.
Old port.
Yeah.
New port is
Up this side.
old port.
Old port is this side. Okay. When you see this water fountain, know that you're still in the old part of Mombasa. So you're going to put me here, I walk around.
Yeah.
So guys, that is the tuk-tuk that brought me here. So I am just going to move around. This is the waterfront. I think it is fun, guys. Look. Wow, there are ferries. It is still in a distance, but I hope I'll get close. And men, if this is what they call if this is what they call the floods, all I see the beach is, let me get you there. Let me get you there, guys, and come back. I see it is all washed. I think there is too much rains here. All the floods are coming. Let me show you the rocks. Of course, I can't go down here. Thing might slide on me and I drown. Guys, I know how to swim though, but I didn't come with. Look at this. Guys, this is truly the coast. Wow, I have no access. I would have taken you there, but maybe I'll see if I can access it the other side. Look at the ferry. Yo, guys. Whoa. I think the winds are so heavy, so the tides are serious. So let me go up there and see if I can access it from the other side. Guys, we are here. Ah, whoa, super welcome. Let me take you around. Such an amazing view right here as you watch the ferries and the ships going against the tides. So welcome. Guys, look at this. The views here are amazing. This is what I am enjoying. I think it is breathtaking. It is so therapeutic because right now I feel so fresh, like my mind is not thinking about what is happening in the rest of the world. Just wow. I hope we are communicating because the wind is too much. As you can see, the tides are serious. Just know I am walking besides the coast. I am at the line of Africa. Where it ends is where I'm right now. I feel like I am Vasco da Gama. Guys, was that the guy who walked the whole coast? I can't remember what I studied in my history, but I know there used to be some guy called Vasco da Gama. I might be even calling the wrong name. So this is it. Wow, look at that. And the palm trees around here. So guys, this is beautiful. So just know that the sea used to end here. All the water has pushed it up to here. But these rocks, the way they are washed, it means that sometimes the water can come up to these levels. You see that? I think the water sometimes comes and hits these rocks. You can see the way they are washed away. So I think if there is too much wind, or if there are heavy tides, or if it floods, it might end up here. Right here, because you see the rocks are all eaten up. They are washed, meaning that sometimes it blows so strong. But I see so much seaweed. Is it called seaweed? I don't know, guys. I don't know the tingo. So I think the local government of Mombasa has put its people on mind, because this place is free entrance. There is nothing to charge, or there are no charges for entrance. People come and hang around here. If you are stressed, maybe you come and sit. If you want to refocus, you come and sit here and think through life. If you want to meditate, there actually over there is a golf course. So I think people come and play golf here, but otherwise local people are provided for to come and walk around, sit around. If you are idle, you can even hide here. So guys, everything is provided for. Such spaces usually are good for people to come and rest a bit, refocus, or even come for dates. I've seen some people pairing. So if you want to bring someone for a free date, you can come and walk around around here. Yeah, so I think I was going to see whether the ship has docked, so let's walk there and see what is happening. This place is called Mama Ngina waterfront. Yeah, that is where I am walking, guys. A very, very peaceful place where you can come and hang around for free. Yeah, so guys, kindly give the video a like at this point if you have watched to this level. Press that like button, don't forget. It is important because that's how YouTube leaves such good content upload for other viewers to easily find, or they recommend such videos to others. So do not give up on giving a like, even commenting if the channel is engaging. I think this looks Chinese, guys. An amazing beautiful Chinese restaurant here. Maybe if I get hungry when I'm still here, I should check them out. Yeah, I think there are other hanging out places here. This is called what? This is Florida Club. Maybe it operates in the night. And here is Mocafe by the sea. Maybe they serve coffee and everything. Mocafe, guys, that is it. Mocafe by the sea. Yeah, so I wanted to see where this ship has disappeared to, but it's as if it was going far. Wow, I don't know, maybe it is going to dock around here. Let me see if I can get any closer. Is that a ferry or it is a ship? I don't know usually the difference. So guys, I always see people testing coconuts, but guys, does the test improve, or maybe I tested the wrong one? I should retry another time, or I try again. But the one I tested wasn't good. I was like, is this what they always tell us? Coconut juice, coconut jelly, what? I'm like, yo, this is not what I expected. So maybe I'll have to test another time. Yeah, so guys, look, I think when the tides are serious, they wash up to this level. Yeah, Mombasa was expecting to have like a cyclone something, but I think it hasn't happened, so it is safe. Yeah, if you are there wondering whether it is right now safe to be in Mombasa, it is very safe. Yeah, but there were floods in Nairobi, like in the city. Nairobi is the city of Kenya, just for you to know. So there were heavy flooding. There was heavy flooding. Oh man, guys can go up to that level. I must reach there and see. Hopefully it will be well with me. So I'm going to walk around. Guys, I don't know whether this is a baobab tree. It is huge, like huge, guys. Look. For sure, guys, I think this is a baobab tree. But the baobabs have roots. This is its roots. I don't know, but look at the shape. I'm not sure it is a baobab, but it is so huge like that. So comment in the comment section below if you know, if you are familiar with baobabs. Tell me if that is one. What the shape looks like it, but I see some fruits of it. Let me show you where. I don't know whether baobabs put fruit on there. Look, so huge, and they are quite a number here, but I am not sure whether it is, guys, whether it is a baobab tree. But maybe I see other many same trees there. I'll go and find out. So guys, as adventurous as it is, they have told me now I am heading to where the ferry is. So I have been to that ferry maybe a year ago when I visited. Let me take you there since now that I'm here, but we won't enter. the ship or the ferry that I was looking at from the other side, I think it was going to dock over there. Let's walk there and see if I can show you. Guys, I didn't know that I'm walking the way that I have passed before. I thought I was in a new, like totally new. But when I came last time, we were in a car, like in an Uber, dropping us to the entrance of the ferry. So maybe in another video I might take you in, but this one I'm just showing you around, guys. So I'm going to take a picture at that baobab tree. I hope it is. Guys, yeah, so welcome to Mombasa. Oh yes, I think this is a baobab tree, but I don't know whether they have fruits. Like the one I've just showed you had fruits, but look at this. Is this it, or it is something else? Maybe there are other kinds of trees, but the shape, you know, the baobab usually is big down at the bottom, but up it has a few branches. So I don't know, is this it or the other one? Let me ask that guy who is sweeping whether this is a baobab. Yeah, so you see it is a long stretch, like people can come and rest, chat around. Yeah, so this is a huge one. Look, is this it? How are you? Well done. I wanted to ask, is this a baobab tree? A baobab. Guys, they are telling me that it is, so just know that there are quite many here. Well done, bro. So I am seeing quite many. So yeah, so just know that people come and hang around to chat, catch up, relax a bit. So yeah, like this one is a typical definition of what I had in mind by pictures, that it is a baobab tree. So it is true that they do put some fruits on it, but I doubt they are edible. Wow, and they are quite huge here. If you have been wanting to have a closer look of a baobab tree, this is it. You see, it gets tiny at the top, but so big at the bottom. Yeah, so it bears fruit. At the ferry station there is kind of a market, so I'm going to just walk through, then I end my video there. Yeah, so as I was saying, you see people come. Even those who are tired, those who are idle, they just come and sleep. So life is all manganyu here, as you can see. If you get hungry, you come and sleep a bit. When you wake up, maybe you think of the next move to find what to do. Yo, bro. So you are even suspicious on who they are. So tricky situation. Yeah, so I'm going to, there is no way through here, so I'm going to go back the other side. No way through, so let me go to the other gate. Yeah, so I want to access that fence. It is like a road heading to the entrance of the ferry station. Guys, like the video, comment, subscribe. As always, if you haven't, guys, love is for free. Give me that subscription. It is just a press away. Just press that subscribe button. All right. If you want horse rides, they are available. Oh, there are many here. Let me show you and ask for you how much it is. Thank you. How are you?
I'm fine.
How much is a ride?
400.
400. Wow.
How much?
Me, I don't want to ride, but I like how cool it is.
Come take a photo. Come take a photo.
I take a
150. Take a photo.
I don't have change.
I'm half change.
No, exchange. I am not from Kenya, so I don't have Kenyan shillings.
You have how much?
Uganda shillings.
How much?
No, I have a lot.
How much?
I have a lot, but what I'm saying, I can't transact, you know. Guys, but there is here, they have horses in case you want a ride. They are here to serve you. It is a full horse. Anyway. Okay, guys, you can support him. Yes, you can support him, guys. In case you hang around here, it's called what? No, around this place.
Ngina waterfront.
Guys, if you want a horse ride along Ngina waterfall and you want to enjoy this, they can. How much is it? 400. Yeah, if you want a ride on this, they charge you 400 Kenyan shillings. So anytime you need a horse ride, you want to take pictures, these are the guys. Okay, Wagwan bro. So yeah, your number?
Eh?
Do you have a number they can call
Number
you?
of course is number 4.
No, I mean your contact number in case they want
My
to.
contact number.
Yes.
But I don't have my contact number now.
You don't have?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, he is off air right now, but anyone can come and support this business. All right, thank you. Yes. I have no money. I am waiting to go to the bank so that I get Kenyan shillings.
Okay,
Yeah.
Nyabo, are you good?
Yeah, I'm good.
You're welcome.
Thank you, bro. I'll come when I get cash. Okay, thank you. So guys, I am just moving around. Hey, asante. Nataka kujifunza. More. Guys, corals. How much are these?
Which one?
This one.
Which one?
This.
This
Like
one.
this one. Yes.
200,
200.
300.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
And this is a what? A starfish.
Starfish, yeah.
Is it live?
Yeah, no.
It was like this. This is how it looks. Guys, this is a typical starfish shell. I think they dry them, then they sell them as decoration. Wow, right now I have no Kenya shillings, but I'm going to the bank. Then in the evening I'll come and support. Okay.
Also dollar.
No, Uganda shillings.
Uganda shillings.
Yeah, yeah. So guys, in case you want souvenirs or see kind of decoration, they have seashells, the big sizes. Wow, guys. Yeah, so I'm just showing you around, nothing much, because I'm heading nowhere. I'm not going to the ferry, but I can only show you. Poa. Guys, we are just chatting with the street boys around, homeboys here in Mombasa. So just know, I think this is a low-key food market. In case you want to eat low food, this is the place where you come. Wow, life is happening here. Guys, the point in moving in such places is just to be easy, just flow with the vibe, and you know, so, yeah, be an easygoing person. You will survive a lot. So I think this is the entrance to the ferry, but I'll bring you one of these days. So this is like a market, a selling place. So that is it. Wow, I think here is another entrance. So yes, guys, I'm going to end here because I think this is another stretch, but the entrance is here. Watagwan. So yeah, this is the market around here, the entrance. So one of these days when I enter, I'll show you around, but in the meantime, this is the live situation here at Mama Ngina's waterfront. It heads to a ferry that crosses you maybe to other islands. Yeah, actually I think this is the main entrance to the ferry. Yeah, so people are just going to board and cross to the other side of the island. Yeah, so this is real life here at the coast. Yeah, I'm just strolling around to show you people going to the ferry to board, and of course there is a lot of merchandise to buy. Selling and buying. Wow, here is a store of yellow bananas. So I think why it is busy is it is the last stage if you're going, so you must buy. Yeah, so this is it, guys. Guys, the ferry is landing or taking off. Going. Enakuja. Guys, you hear how I'm learning Swahili? Enakuja, eh? So this is just arriving, so there are people who are going to come out, then others will load. Wow, let me show you properly. I think vehicles come out first, then also people come out. Wow, look at that. So right now they are loading the vehicles, the cars are entering. Then when everyone has come out, now the group entering will also come in and they cross up to the other island. So guys, I think this is the ship that I came following. It docked here. It is gray in color. Yeah, it could be the one right there.
So this is free?
Yeah, it is. Loading. All right, you see that? So it is going to cross them over. Guys, a while ago I passed here and the water was further, and I had intended to come and walk on the side, but the water has come and it has now now it is closed on the rocks that I was telling you. So look at that guy. I can't stand there because it might continue and take me far. So just know, wow, the blue waters. So I'm just walking. I managed to come up, so you see, wow, the tides are so much. So I think at some point how far it has reached, so close to the rocks. Yeah, so just know I am here at the waters, but I won't step in. Maybe some other time in the videos. Just keep watching, you will see me inside. I want to redeem my inside there, so people come and chill around here, take some pictures, and yeah, enjoy the breeze, guys. So whew, the water is here. It has entered my shoe, guys. A while ago I passed here and the water was further, and I had intended to come and walk on the side, but the water has come and it has now it is closed on the rocks that I was telling you. So look at that guy. I can't stand there because it might continue and take me far. So just know, wow, the blue waters. So I'm just walking. I managed to come up, so you see, wow, the tides are so much. So I think at some point how far it has reached, so close to the rocks. Yeah, so just know I am here at the waters, but I won't step in. Maybe some other time in the videos. Just keep watching, you will see me inside. I want to redeem my inside there, so people come and chill around here, take some pictures, and yeah, enjoy the breeze, guys. So whew, the water is here. It has entered my shoe, guys. Anytime something might come out of this hideout. So just know it is amazing. People are just having good time, but anytime the water will wash our feet. Wow, I think the wind is so much now, the water has extended. Yeah, if you have watched my video from the start, at least you saw where you were seeing like the sea is afar, and it was the rocks like this were exposed there, but now you can't see anything. The place which was looking like a beach like right now has closed up. Now the water is reaching on the grass direct. Wow, look, I think that the tides have become serious. You see, it is coming. Look, I'm waiting for this one to come and hit this rock. It's close. Wow, guys, look at how this branch has gone so low. You have to bend if you want Sante. You have to bend for it to pass. It is that short. And if you want camel rides, they are available. Yeah, camel rides. And shit happens. Horse rides. Yeah, so it is a chilling place. welcome. So no, asante, asante. Hey guys, these are for 100. That is on the higher side.
Good water, fleshy one. Inside, you drink good.
So if you want pictures, they are also available. Simple videos. You can come and have this view in your gallery, guys. So yeah, live studio. So this is a kind of old building, but when you see this kind of doors, you know that you are in Mombasa or in the coastal towns. Like also Zanzibar has the same feel when you're walking in those tiny streets of Zanzibar. That's what you see, the kind of doors, like old-fashioned doors. I don't know whether they are Arabic or something, but that is the feel. Guys, I saw some coconuts there. I wanted to try again for my second time. For my second time, I wanted to try coconut water. In Uganda, we have those coconuts which are dry and have hair on the outside. Maybe when it grows and it dries up, it has, like on the outer side, it has hair. We don't have these fresh ones. We don't have them many. Even the ones I'm talking about that we find, they bring them from this side, from Kenya or wherever, and we have them. So I'm going to test, but let me support this bro. Narudi, guys. Wait, how much? 100. I have 50. 50 bob. Huh? What? I am going to take 50. Guys, this is for 50. So I am going to try. It is not cut, or it can sit.
Oh.
Guys, this is my second time of testing testing coconut. Okay, it is not sweet, but it has a cooling effect. Like when you drink it, you feel so refreshed. Let me sit here and I tell you stories of this test. How much?
100. This is as big as a hole.
Guys, he's telling me that this is called madaf.
Yeah.
Madaf.
Madaf
In
corn.
English is what?
Young coconut.
Young coconut.
Yeah.
Guys, we are just here chilling with the street men trying to look for money.
Yeah.
Yes. But now the taste is not so good.
Yeah. Finished. This is finished water.
This one you don't remove.
Yeah, only water.
Me, I want that jelly. 50. 50 bob.
100 because of cold. Cold and big.
From where? From fridge.
Yeah.
I nataka pepper ni ita chili. Ngapi? Mia is what?
100.
Me, I want for 50 only. 50.
100.
Take.
Open.
Jerry iko hapa.
Haina hiyo, only water. This one is true.
So guys, they have convinced me that the big one has jelly inside, so I'm going to buy that. I'm going to buy one and I test and see. It is not bad, but it is almost flat test. Yeah, flat test, like but so cooling, like when you drink it. I don't know whether it is because of this sun here. But when you drink it, you feel so fresh. Yeah. Asante sana guys. Let me test again. This is my third time of testing. More like it. Yeah, this is having some sweetness, and they put it in the fridge. It is refrigerated, so hapa ni tamu. How do you say this is sweet? Hapa ni tamu. Here is sweet, guys. Swahili is Swahiliing. So, but it is so good. This is tasty. I don't know how different it is. Maybe these are young, this is older, because you see even inside it has formed a jelly, which I'm going to eat. So good. So guys, I've finished drinking the water, coconut water. Now I want to eat this. Yeah. So let me enjoy this white jelly. I don't know whether that is the right name. I see how good it is. Asante. So guys, I'm trying out this jelly. It is a bit slippery. It is slippery, but the taste is not bad. So my honest review of this, if it is old, it tastes better than when it is so green. If it is so green like this, the water is not having any sweetness. But this, I think it is what even grows. This, you see, it turns yellowish a bit, yellowish. Inside you find that this white jelly. I think when it grows, it hardens and becomes that crunchy coconut we have in Uganda. Usually it has hair like this and more brown, like it has overgrown, and usually it has less water than what I found here. I mean the ones which are available in Uganda. So I feel that this one was still young because the jelly is half crunchy and half slippery. Unlike the coconut that we are used to, the hard one which you eat and it is crispy. Yeah, that one. Alright, let me end my video here. I'll definitely see you on my next one. Bye bye, ciao ciao, adios, shalom.